हाँ विश्वास
विश्वास भी सर।
आइए
गुड इवनिंग सर। गुड इवनिंग।
बैठिए।
थैंक यू सर।
क्या नाम आपका?
सर माय नेम इज मनमीत सिंह मोंगा।
मनमीत सिंह मोंगा। यू आर फ्रॉम अजमेर?
यस सर।
अजमेर इन नागरा?
सर नगरा।
नगरा?
जी सर।
नगरा नाम क्या है, क्यों दिया?
सर एरिया है सर वहाँ।
तो उस एरिया का नाम नगरा क्यों दिया?
सर नगर वासियों का। इट्स
नगरा
बेसिकली यस सर।
बीच में, सेंटर में अजमेर के?
यस सर। नियर रेलवे स्टेशन।
सेकेंडरी कब किया आपने?
सर 2014।
विच स्कूल?
सेंट एंसलम सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल अजमेर।
एंड व्हाट वाज द परफॉर्मेंस?
सर आई सिक्योर्ड 9 CGPA सर।
नाइस। 12th?
सर सेम स्कूल सेंट एंसलम सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल 2016 and I scored 91.6%.
देन?
So then I graduated from NLU Patiala in 2022 and there I scored 9.07 CGPA.
What does your father?
So my father is notary public.
At Ajmer.
Yes, sir. District and Sessions Court.
Thereafter, uh, anything more you did?
So currently I'm posted as a junior legal officer at the District Collector Office Ajmer.
अच्छा, कब से?
Sir, I got posted on 12th July this year. Yes.
How you feel? What is the nature of this job, JLO?
Sir, I think it is good job. So basically, the duties of a JLO is to give a legal opinion to the government. So my job is to appoint an OIC, officer in charge in the civil cases, and whenever there is a decision from judicial magistrate, then the files come from the ADP office. Then you have to decide whether there is scope of appeal or not. And after that, the further course of action is taken. So it's only a legal opinion, and sir, the opinion is as such not binding. So I think I am not being able to justify my qualities, and my opinion is not binding. So I'm not having an impactful something which can impact the society, sir. That is something which I am missing in that particular piece.
So you are supposed to give opinion only on the verdict of judicial verdict.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, you are not supposed to give any opinion on day-to-day administration of the state government.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Why did you not join corporate sector?
So first of all is, sir, I wanted to make a significant impact on the society. There I cannot. Also talking about the work-life balance. So I think like there is no work-life balance in corporate sector, and something which does not excites me. While in judiciary, like you have to face each and every problem. There is different problem every day. So it's something which is challenging. So that is why I am not going for the corporate sector.
And why are you not joining in litigation?
Sir, first of all, the economic and the social security, sir. That
You
is,
have got, your father is already there in the field.
sir, he is a notary public. He is currently not practicing. So that is the first reason. And secondly, sir, I think during advocacy, the administration of justice is not the sole motive. There can be other factors also which influence the conduct of an advocate. But I think that impartiality and integrity is something which is in judiciary only, sir.
In the 10th semester, you have read a subject law of drugs and narcotics.
Yes, sir.
Which act is applicable in drugs cases?
Sir, NDPS Act.
Drugs cases.
Drugs and Cosmetics Act.
In which year?
Sir, I'm unable to recall it. I think it's 1940, yes, sir. I'm not sure.
Any provisions you recall? Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940.
Sir, I think there is misleading cosmetics, sir.
What is the purpose and object of the Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940? You have read it in 10th semester?
Yes, sir.
So what is the object and purpose of that act?
Sir, I'm unable to recall, sir.
No? And narcotics?
Sir, NDPS Act, that is to regulate the drugs and psychotropic substances and to be used only in the medical sector. So it is basically a regulation and prohibition of the.
This act, NDPS Act, is applicable in the only medical sector.
No, sir.
So
Medical sector is only the exception part. That is, you have to regulate NDPS in the. It can be used in medical sector. However, there is a prohibition of narcotics, drugs, and psychotropic substances.
Okay. And you have read company law
Yes, sir.
in which semester?
Sir, it was in second semester, fourth semester, sir. Fourth and fifth.
Fourth and fifth. You know about any provisions of company law? What is the definition of company?
Sir, I am unable to recall.
Next, now in the next I have seen in the law of medicine, law and medicine.
Yes, sir.
So what is the difference between the drugs and cosmetic act and law of medicines? Either it is same.
Sir, in law of medicine, we were taught NDPS and drugs and cosmetics as a part of it.
Whether the judicial officer has any jurisdiction to regulate the drugs, uh, druggist and chemist soaps.
Sorry, sir, I am unaware of.
एक चीज बताओ, एक प्रॉब्लम रख रहा हूँ आईपीसी की।
Yes, sir.
मेला लग रहा है, मेले में ऊपर मचानों पे पुलिस वाले खड़े हैं दूरबीन लेके,
Yes, sir.
और एक आदमी का पर्स नीचे गिर जाता है, एक आदमी उठाता है अपने जेब में रख लेता है। व्हाट ऑफेंस ही कमिटेड?
Sir, criminal misappropriation. Sir, if he has taken the property, the sole purpose is to recover it and to find the owner and to give it to him, then there is no
अभी तो कुछ किया
misappropriation.
ही नहीं ना उसने।
No, there is right now there is no misappropriation. But if he is aware of the owner and after that he is misappropriating, then there is offense of criminal
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में
misappropriation.
रेस्टोरेशन कहाँ है?
Sir,
रेस्टोरेशन कहाँ दिया हुआ है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट में?
so I'm unable to recall the section. sir.
फ्रस्ट्रेशन थ्योरी पढ़ी है?
Yes, sir.
तो मान लो मैंने किसी से पैसे ले लिए और कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पूरा नहीं किया, तो
Yes.
पैसे वापस नहीं देने पड़ेंगे?
Yes, sir.
कहाँ कहाँ तो प्रोविजन क्या है?
So I think section 64 and 65 talks about the.
यस यस। अच्छा, मान लो एक आदमी, एक लड़का मेरे गांव से मैं ले आया,
Yes, sir.
उसको कहा मैंने कि मैं तेरे को पढ़ाऊंगा लिखाऊंगा, उसने कहा बाकी जो खर्चा होगा आपका मैं वापस दे दूंगा जब जज बन जाऊंगा। वो लड़का मजिस्ट्रेट बन गया।
Yes, sir.
मैंने कहा भाई अब तेरी तनख्वाह आने लगी है, मेरे को पैसे तो दे दो वापस।
Yes, sir.
बोले मैं तो नहीं दे रहा। इफ एनी रेमेडी टू रिकवर द अमाउंट फ्रॉम हिम अंडर
sir, I
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट
think
एक्ट
under section 70 of the Contract Act, if the act was done gratuitously,
70,
70,
not
sir.
70, 68.
Sir, 68 talks about the incapability of a person, and if he enters into a contract, then the amount can be restored from the estate of the incapable person. However, 70 is whenever a person does any act, and if it is doing gratuitously, so in that case, sir, it cannot be imposed.
ओके। हैडले वर्सेस वैक्सेंडल का केस पढ़ा है?
Yes, sir.
क्या है ये?
Sir, it talks about the compensation given in the section 73. It says that compensation will only be given for the losses which arise in the normal course and not for the remote and indirect losses, sir.
सर ये क्या, जैसे अभी प्रधानमंत्री जी वहां चले गए चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया के घर,
Yes, sir.
अब सांसद चाहते हैं कि पार्लियामेंट में डिस्कशन हो, डिस्कशन हो सकता है या नहीं होगा?
Sir, no, sir. Discussion cannot happen.
क्यों?
Sir, Article 121 prohibits it.
गुड,
And yes,
ठीक है।
और वो खुद डिस्कस कर सकते हैं क्या प्राइम मिनिस्टर सीजीआई से
so regarding
किसी मुद्दे को लेके
इशू को लेकर
sir, there is advisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. So in that case, the president can. However, prime
तो
minister.
प्रोसीजर अलग होगा ऐसे विजिविस जैसा इन पे हुआ ऐसा हो सकता है क्या
So I think this is something which is not currently covered and under any. There is no prohibition as such, sir.
अच्छा, जो सर ने पूछा है उसी को थोड़ा सा बढ़ाता हूँ। तो क्या चीफ जस्टिस या सुप्रीम कोर्ट या हाई कोर्ट कि पार्लियामेंट में क्या हो रहा है, क्या डिस्कशन चल रहा है, इस पर कुछ डिस्कस कर सकते हैं कोर्ट में?
No, sir. I don't think, sir.
प्रोविजन
Separation of powers, I think, sir.
121, 122 दो आर्टिकल ध्यान रखो, 121, 122।
Okay, sir.
पार्लियामेंट में जो कुछ चल रहा है कोर्ट नहीं कुछ कर सकती,
Yes, sir.
और कोर्ट के जब तक रिमूवल नहीं हो तब तक पार्लियामेंट में डिस्कशन नहीं हो सकता।
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, मनमीत आपका ठीक है। सर कोई सजेशन?
और एडवाइजरी जुरिस्डिक्शन कौन सा आर्टिकल है?
Sorry, sir.
एडवाइजरी जुरिस्डिक्शन
Sir, 143.
143
इजराइल से अजमेर का क्या कनेक्शन है?
Sorry, sir.
इजराइल से अजमेर का क्या कनेक्शन?
इजराइल से
हम्म।
सर ईरान से तो है सर, इजराइल का आई एम नॉट श्योर।
Don't know.
नो सर।
Are there some Jews living in Ajmer district?
यस सर, इन पुष्कर सर।
And is there any religious temple of Jews there?
सर आई एम अनअवेयर ऑफ इट, आई
You don't know.
ये करने चाहिए।
That have knowledge.
यस सर, आई विल रीड अबाउट इट।
Currently, it is in limelight.
यस सर।
And since the Israel and the Arabian countries conflict,
यस सर।
the security has been beefed up in Ajmer in Pushkar
यस सर, आई हैव रेड इट इन द न्यूज़पेपर सर।
just to protect that religious temple
यस सर।
of Jews. And many Jews living there.
यस,
You should have prepared these things.
आई विल रीड अबाउट।
हाँ ठीक है, देखना हो गया लास्ट हो गया।